Look at here, log e to the base 3, log e to the base 3, log e to the base 1 by 4, log e to the base 3, log e to the base 1 by 4. If you see the values, log x to the base e is this. Graph is log x to the base e. So now if you look at here, log e to the base 3, log e to the base 3, this is log e to the base 1 by 4. Now look at this is 2.72, this is 2.72, this is 3. This is log x to the base 3 graph. Let us say if base is greater than 1, log x to the base 3 will be like that. Right? So at 3 it will be 1. Look at. So this is 1. At this it will be 0. So now log e to the base 3 means log 3 to the base 3 is actually 1. Log 3 to the base 3 is what? 1. This is 2.72 means it will be somewhere here. That means this value will be positive. This value will be positive. Look at log x to the base 3 graph is this. At log 3 it will be 1. 2.72 means what? It will be less than 1 but positive only. So this is positive quantity. Now log e to the base 1 by 4. I am drawing log x to the base 1 by 4. 1 by 4 graph is like this. If base is less than 1, graph is like this. Right? So now log e to the base 1 by 4. E will be here. E will be here means its value will be what? Negative. Its value will be negative. So this is positive. This is negative. That means this completely will become what? Negative. So this is negative into negative. This is negative value into negative value. This will become positive. That means sin x divided by log sin x divided by log 1 by 4 cos x plus alpha into cos x plus alpha. Somewhere question wrong. Wait, some question is given wrong. Look, the correct problem is question is given wrong. That is not f of x, f dash x. Wait, don't note down. That's why lengthy you are getting. In the book it was misprinted. Look. Actually, he has to give f dash x. F dash x is the given one. It was printed wrong. He has given f dash x only. It was printed wrong. That is f dash x. It is given in the book f of x. F dash x is directly given. Increasing means what? F dash x greater than 0. F dash x greater than 0. This when it will be greater than 0, this is greater than 0. Now you will get easily look at. That's why lengthy you are getting. This ratio must be greater than 0 means this must be greater than 0. This must be greater than 0. Now you can observe this logarithm you eliminate. This will come that side 3 power 0. 3 power 0. If you eliminate logarithm, 3 power 0 means what? That is 1. 3 power 0 means what? That is 1. Now if you eliminate this logarithm, 1 by 4, if base is less than 1, cos x plus alpha less than 1 by 4 to the power 1. 1 by 4 to the power 1. Look at them. Whenever you are eliminating, if base is greater than 1, Same inequality will be there, greater than 3 power 0, 1. If you are eliminating base less than 1, if greater than means less than will come. That means alpha less than 1 by 4 minus cos x. 1 by 4 minus cos x. That means alpha less than minimum value of minimum value of 1 by 4 minus cos x. 1 by 4 minus cos x. What is the minimum value? So minimum value is nothing but if you substitute so 1 by 4 minus cos x. What is the minimum value? C minus root of a square plus b square. That means you will get 1 by 4 minus 1. That means what? Minus 3 by 4. So alpha less than minus 3 by 4. That is the answer. Actually, this is f dash x. F of x means you won't get. Directly f dash x. No need to find derivative. Look at next problem. The minimum value of k, the minimum value of k for which f of x equals to 2e power x minus k e power minus x 2k plus 1 into x minus 3 is monotonically increasing. Monotonically increasing for all real x. For all real x. Look, he is telling that it is increasing for all real x. That means find f dash x. F dash x means what? 2 into this is e power x minus k into derivative of e power minus x plus 2k plus 1. This is the derivative. So that means f dash x equals to if you look at here 2e power x so plus k by e power x I am simplifying this. Look at how I am simplifying. K plus 1, right? This is the derivative. Taking the LCM, that means you will get 2e power 2x. Here you will get e power x plus here you will get k. So you have to get this greater than or equal to 0. You have to get this greater than or equal to 0, right? So now if you observe, this term is always positive. this term is always positive. This term is always positive because e power means what? Always positive. This is always positive. This is always positive. This is always positive. That means, look it. If this is positive, then it will be positive. That means k value must be what? K value must be positive. K value must be positive. If this is positive, then this is positive. This is positive. This will become positive. This will become positive. Then derivative will be positive only. That means minimum value of k is nothing but 0. Minimum value of k is nothing but 0. If you keep it 0, then also it will be what? Positive only. That means it is increasing function. Next problem. The smallest integer value of p for which f of x equals to 6px minus p sine, very important one, p sine 4x minus 5x minus sine 3x is increasing for all x belongs to R. Look at this. He has given that this function increases for all x belongs to R. Now write f dash x greater than or equal to 0. F dash x greater than or equal to 0. Derivative is what here? This is 6p. Derivative of this is what? Minus p into derivative of this is 4 cos 4x. So this is derivative minus 5 into 1 minus 3 cos 3x greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Now p take common. P into 6 minus 4 cos 4x greater than or equals to 5 plus 3 cos 3x. 5 plus 3 cos 3x. So now all the remaining function bring that side. So p greater than or equals to 5 plus 3 cos 3x divided by 6 minus 4 cos 4x. That means p greater than or equals to maximum value of 5 plus 3 cos 3x divided by 6 minus 4 cos 4x. Right? This is f of x. That means p greater than or equals to maximum value of that. Maximum value of that means use some common sense here. Maximum value of this is what? 1. Maximum value of this is what? 1. That means if you substitute maximum value there, this is 1 maximum value divided by 6 minus 4 in this is 1. 4 into here maximum value is what? 1. That means P greater than or equals to 8 divided by 2. That means 4. P greater than or equal to 4. That means smallest integer, P minimum. Your answer is what? 4. Look at here, you will get it out here. Look at maximum value of this. Here maximum value 1 taken. Maximum value 1 taken. Look at here also maximum value I have substituted. Right? So why I have substituted means denominator is there. Denominator, if it has to be maximum means denominator must be minimum. If you substitute minus 1 here, this will become 6 plus 4, 10. That is maximum value actually. But the denominator must be minimum. That's why here 1 substituted. If you substitute minus 1, it will become what? It will become 10. Right. That's why maximum value of this means denominator must be minimum. That's why I have substituted this as 1. Right. 5 plus 3 into 1 divided by 6 minus 4 into 1. Next problem. Next problem. If f of x equals to 1 minus root of 21 minus 4b minus b square divided by, only for this, divided by b plus 1 into x cube plus 5x plus 8. This is function given. This is function given. A comma b are real numbers. A comma b are real numbers. Is increasing for all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to R, then B belongs to minus infinity comma minus 7 B minus 7 comma minus 1 union 2 comma 3 C 3 comma infinity D R. Look at, very important logic here. Identify the logic. So this is given increasing function. Let us find out f dash x. Let us find out f dash x. Let us find out f dash x. That means this you will get directly constant, that is divided by b plus 1 into, this is 3x square plus 5. This must be greater than or equal to 0. This must be greater than or equal to 0. Look at here. Identify the logic here. Identify the logic. So this is positive, this is positive. So if this is greater than or equal to 0, then this will become greater than or equal to 0. That means if you identify the logic, this is positive. So 3x square is positive. If this one is there, if this one is positive or 0, then it will be greater than or equal to 0. Right? Even if this is 0 also, this completely will become 0. This is 5 positive. That means this constant is there. Whatever the constant in the bracket is there, that must be greater than or equal to 0. That must be greater than or equal to 0. So use the logic here. 1 minus root of 21 minus 4b minus b square divided by b plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Right? So that means root of 21 minus 4b minus b square divided by b plus 1 less than or equal to 1. Bring that side. So it will become less than or equal to 1. Now look at, we have to find the values of b for which this is less than or equal to 1. This is less than or equals to 1. Now look at. So actually this must be defined. This must be defined means what? 21 values of b you have to calculate such that this root is defined. Otherwise function will not be defined. Greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or first step is this must be greater than or equal to 0. Take minus common. So that means this factorization is what? 21. This factorization is b minus 7, b plus 7 into b. This minus will become less than or equal to 0. That means b must lie in the interval minus 7 comma 3. Then only that root will be defined. Then only that root will be defined. Root will be defined. Now look at here. So this in this denominator is there. In this denominator is there. Let us say you have to take two cases. Look at case 1. Case 1. Let this be negative. B plus 1 is negative. Let this be negative denominator. Then if you bring that side, then if you bring that side, root of 21 minus 4b minus b square. If you bring that side, it will become greater than or equals to b plus 1. Greater than or equals to b plus 1. If you observe here, look at that. This is negative. Na? Suppose minus 2 is there. If you bring that side, what happens? It will become greater than or equal to minus 2. Right? Now if you look at this left hand side is positive quantity. This left hand side is positive quantity. This one is negative quantity. This one is negative quantity. This one is negative quantity. Right? That means positive quantity will always be greater than negative quantity. So that means this is always true. This is always true. That means in this case solution what you will get? B less than minus 1. You take any value of B less than minus 1. Less than minus 1. This positive quantity, this is negative quantity. It is always true. No? That means B less than minus 1. B less than minus 1. That means B less than minus 1 means in this interval what are the values that is less than minus 1? That means B belongs to minus 7 comma minus 1. In this case, first step solution A. First case solution set is what? B belongs to minus 7 comma minus 1. So number 2. B plus 1 greater than 0, let us say. B plus 1 greater than 0. Then bring that side. Root of 21 minus 4b minus b square less than or equal to b plus 1. Now this is positive quantity, this is positive quantity. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. If you have any doubt after completing, you ask them. Squaring both sides, that means 21 minus 4b minus b square less than or equals to b square plus 2b plus 1. Right? Bring that side. That means 2b square plus 4b plus 2b 6b 1 minus 21 minus 20 greater than or equal to 0. 2 strike off b square plus 3b minus 10 greater than or equal to 0. That means what is the factorization for this? B plus 5 into b minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. What is the interval here? B belongs to minus infinity comma minus 5 union 3 comma infinity. 3 comma infinity. So now here this case is b greater than minus 1. B greater than minus 1. Now if you look at here you got minus infinity to minus 5 union 3 to infinity. But this must also be defined. So that means in this values of this is what? Minus 7 to. So b greater than minus 1, actually b greater than minus 1. B greater than minus 1 means what are the values here? Squaring, look at b square plus 2b, 2b square plus 6b, minus 2, minus 2. This you will get 2 to infinity, 2 to infinity, 2 to infinity. That means look at, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Intersection part of this b greater than minus 1, this b belongs to this interval, b must lie in this interval. Intersection point is nothing but 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, right? 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3. Because b greater than minus 1 means these will not come. Only 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity is here, minus 7 to 3 is here. Then what are the common values for 2 to infinity and minus 7 to 3? 2 to 3. This is b. This is b. So therefore your answer is first case union second case. Answer these values will be there as well as these values will be there. That means minus 7 comma minus 1 union 2 comma 3. If any doubt is there regarding this, you ask. Second option is correct. Second option is correct. If any doubt is there regarding this, చెప్పమ్మ చానికి సాయి చానికి సాయి ఇప్పుడు బి ప్లస్ వన్ నెగిటివ్ అంటే ఇది మల్టిప్లై చేస్తావు, క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై. ఇప్పుడు కింద నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్ ఉంటే అటు క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇది ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ గా ఇది పాజిటివ్ క్వాంటిటీ, బి ప్లస్ వన్ నెగిటివ్ క్వాంటిటీ కదా. అంటే అది ఎప్పుడు ట్రూనేగా. పాజిటివ్ క్వాంటిటీ విల్ ఆల్వేస్ బి గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ నెగిటివ్ క్వాంటిటీ ఆల్వేస్. ఓకే. సో అంటే ఏంటి, బి లెస్ దాన్ -1 అన్నిటికీ ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీ ట్రూ అవుతుంది. ఇందులో బి లెస్ దాన్ -1 ఏమున్నాయి, -7 to -1. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ కేస్ డినామినేటర్ పాజిటివ్ తీసుకో. పాజిటివ్ అటు పంపిస్తే డైరెక్ట్ ఇది వస్తుంది. ఇది పాజిటివ్, ఇది పాజిటివ్, ఇవి మనం కనుక్కోవాలి. అందుకని స్క్వేర్ చేశారు. స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే ఇది వచ్చింది. సో ఇది క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఇంటర్వెల్. ఇప్పుడు బి గ్రేటర్ దాన్ -1 ఉండాలి. ఇందులో బి గ్రేటర్ దాన్ -1 ఏమున్నాయి, 2 to ఇన్ఫినిటీనే కదా. మరి 2 to ఇన్ఫినిటీకి ఇది కూడా డిఫైన్ కావాలిగా. అంటే ఇందులో 2 to ఇన్ఫినిటీలో ఏమున్నాయి, 2 to 3. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఓకేనా. ఇవన్నీ 2 to ఇన్ఫినిటీ తీసుకుంటే ఈ రూట్ డిఫైన్ కాదు, ఇది గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 కాదు, ఇందులో కూడా ఉండాలిగా. రైట్. అసలు ఈ రూట్ డిఫైన్ కావాలంటే ఇందులో ఉండాలి. తర్వాత కేసెస్ లో ఇందులో ఉన్న వాల్యూసే ఉండాలి. 2 to ఇన్ఫినిటీ వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ, కానీ 2 to ఇన్ఫినిటీలో ఇది గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 అవ్వదు కదా, -7 to 3 లోనేగా. అందుకని దీనికి కామన్ 2 to 3. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం యు సీ. The values of A for which f of x equals to 2e power 2x minus 4a e power x minus 4a minus 5 into x is increasing for all x belongs to R is a greater than 1, 2, a less than or equal to 1, 3, a greater than 2, 4, a less than 2. Very important model. Look at very important model. So the logic is f dash x greater than or equal to 0. F dash x greater than or equal to 0. Write that. Simple logic. So derivative of this 2e power 2x into 2 minus 4a into derivative of e power x minus 4a minus 5 into derivative of x1 greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. That means this is 4e power 2x minus 4a e power x minus 4a plus 5 greater than or equal to 0. So what I am doing is a terms I am bringing that side. Look at 4e power 2x plus 5 so plus 5 greater than or equals to, what I am doing is like this, look at a 4a into 4a into e power x plus 1. Observe the logic. So this 4 e power x plus 1 I am bringing this side. That means you will get this inequality right from this side. A less than or equals to, bring this side 4 e power 2x plus 5 divided by 4 e power x plus 1. So you got a less than or equal to f of x. A less than or equals to f of x. Let us say that is f of x. What you have to write? A less than or equal to minimum value of f of x. Minimum value of f of x. That you know. ఏం చేయడానికి ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా? హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేసావు. So look at, take f of x. Take f of x. How I will find minimum value? Look at, divided by 4 into e power x plus 1. Look at how I am finding. I am writing this as 4 into e power 2x plus 1, e power 2x plus 1 plus 4. Look at the logic, very important logic. Look at this time what I am writing is 4 into this I am writing it as e power x plus 1 e power x plus 1 whole square I am writing. E power x plus 1 whole square. Look at the logic here. Minus, I have written a plus b whole square. A square is e power 2x. B square minus 2 e power x plus 4 divided by 4 into e power x plus 1. Right? So 4 into this is what? E power x plus 1 whole square minus 8 e power x 8 e power x plus 4 divided by 4 into e power x plus 1. Atom. Ah, ah, right, right. Okay, now. So look at. So now look at here. This split this. Further, a little bit simplification I am doing. 4 into e power x plus 1 whole square, e power x plus 1 whole square plus minus 8 into, little bit simplification, look at, e power, I am writing x plus 1 plus 8 plus 1. Look at here, 8 e power x is there, I have added plus 1. So minus 8 plus 8 will get cancelled. Now split this divide by this divide by this will give you e power x plus 1, right? Minus this divide by this means minus 2. This divide by this means what you will get 1 divided by 4 into. Okay, this divide by this means 1 e power x plus 1 into 4 will get cancelled this. So this divide by this means what? Minus 2. So this is 9. 9 divided by 4 into e power x plus 1. Why I have done like this is, look, minus 2, minus 2. This why I have done like this is, now this for this and this I am applying arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. This is A, this is A, this is B. A plus B by 2 greater than or equal to root of A into B. So this e power x plus 1, this e power x plus 1 will get cancelled. So that means e power x plus 1 plus 9 by 4 into e power x plus 1 greater than or equals to 2 into 3 by 2. Root of 9 by 4 means what? That means greater than or equal to 3. Now this is our function. This is our function. Add minus 2 on both sides. Add minus 2 on both sides. That means greater than or equal to 3 minus 2. That means greater than or equals to 1. That means you can say f of x is greater than or equal to 1. F of x is greater than or equal to 1. That means minimum value of f of x is what? 1. Minimum value of f of x is 1. So what you got the answer? A less than or equals to minimum value of f of x. That means a less than or equal to 1. A less than or equal to 1, that is the answer. Second option is correct. A less than or equals to 1. This logic I have done why I have maintained like this is one number, this is its reciprocal with constant difference. If you apply AMGM inequality for this, AMGM inequality, this and this will get cancelled. Then you got this value greater than or equal to 3. Add minus 2 on both sides. So this is our required f of x. F of x is what? Greater than or equal to 1. That means minimum value is what? 1. Therefore, a less than or equal to minimum of f of x. A less than or equal to 1. That is the answer. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.